coming, there is a window frame over there.
Yes.
Red doesn't look good in black and white. We're gonna try a really small on-camera flash. You can sit in the corner right there. We're gonna do one test shot with this little light. Take me to ISO 400, but I don't hate it. Don't move. I love this position. I like this a lot. This looks good. Hold. Oh, I like that. Don't move. Don't move. Good. Legs apart. I really want you to like sit back and just like super relaxed, chill. Can you grab the coat with your hand? Ricky, go this way with the hair. Trying to get the perfect position. Feel free to lean into that. Yeah, exactly. There you go. Check it. What happens if you put your arm up on top up there? Lean forward onto your knee. Okay. All right, we got this one. Good job, Georgie. I didn't think the red was gonna work, but it worked good.